Today we are doing hand filler with Radiesse. And Radiesse is a biostimulatory filler, so it will make you make collagen wherever we put it. So who wouldn't want more collagen in their hands? So I have already put a little lidocaine in our patient's hand so I can do a little pilot channel right there. Perfect. And I'm going to use cannula, which I love always, right here, because it makes life easier for everybody. And I'm going to lift this up to get out of my way. Boom. Okay, and there we go. So it's typically 1 syringe per hand. And this is, like I said, Radiesse. I'm going to have you lift your hand a little and tilt it down for me. That way it gets the wrist out of the way. And this can last for a whole year, which is great. And again, will make you make collagen, which is also great. Some injectors like to inject using a needle between the knuckles. I do not love to do it that way. I like the cannula. So after this, I'm going to have you sit on your hands because it'll help spread the Radiesse across the top. There's a sheath in there, so when you sit on it, it just kind of spreads it all out. And there's really no aftercare for this because other than sit on your hand for a while. But it's immediate and also longer lasting because it will make you make collagen. It takes 3 months to make collagen, so it'll get better and better over this next couple months. Perfect. There, that one's all done. Okay, ready for this side? Let's go here. Beautiful. Our little channel. There it is. This way first. Give me, yeah, that's better. There we go. Perfect. The nice thing about the cannula is that it also will make you make collagen just because as I glide through your skin, I'm irritating you as well as your fibroblasts. So they go into fight or flight mode, but they can't go anywhere because they're stuck in your skin. So they fight back and they make you make more collagen. So the ingredient that Radiesse is made out of will make you make collagen. And then the way it's manufactured will make you make collagen. And then the way we insert it will make you make collagen. So all different ways. Also, the nice thing about the cannula is that it can glide over. Look how you're using that word glide. You're like, it is not gliding.
It's gliding.
It's gliding, okay. It can glide over the vessels, so a lot less likely to cause any bruising because it just pushes the vessels aside versus getting into them like a needle would. And then you can cover a big area with just one insertion spot, which is my favorite. We're gonna go right up here again. Awesome. And then this might swell in the next couple days, but that's okay. And then it'll come down. Let me put a little gauze. And we just need the little exit wound right there. Perfect. And that's it. So it'll all settle in. We'll sit on this side too, but that's it. So, I mean, that takes like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's nothing.
It's nothing. Exactly. It's exactly what she said.